Good morning, children. Now we are going to understand laws of reflection of light. You can see this figure. The reflection of a light ray at a surface obeys the following two laws of reflection. Okay, the angle of incidence is always equal to the angle of reflection. This is the first law, children. Angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Okay, you can name AOB like that. You can name it, or you can write like this: angle I equal to angle R. And the second law is the incident ray, this is coming ray is incident ray, and the reflected ray and the normal all lie in the same plane, in this plane at the point O, in this. Okay, this 2 point is very important, children. That is a laws of reflection. So from the first law of reflection we can also see that angle I equal to angle R means the angle which the incident ray makes with the reflecting surface is equal to the angle which the reflected ray makes with the same surface, like angle I equal to angle R. And when the incident ray strikes the reflecting surface, normally the reflected ray retraces the path in backward direction, and in this case angle I equal to angle R equal to 0 if we will retraces the path in backward direction. So the rays of light are reversible. This means the laws of reflection still hold when the incident and the reflected rays are reversed. Okay. The reflection of light ray from a plane mirror showing the incident ray, normal and reflected ray in one plane. And this is a plane. Okay, children. And the point where this incident ray, normal and the reflected ray lie, this point is known as point of incident. You can name it O. Okay. You can verify with this activity. To verify the laws of reflection, you can read the activity. You will understand how to verify, what you will observe, how the incident ray come and all lie in the same plane. Okay, how it will reflect. The laws of reflection are thus verified. Also, the object distance is equal to the image distance from the reflecting surface. Means you will observe the object distance is equal to the image distance. Both are equal. You can see here. This is object, this is image formed. Both are equal. In this manner you can verify with this activity. Now what is regular and irregular reflection, children? Regular means, you see this picture, when a parallel beam of light falls on a highly polished and a smooth surface such that all rays of the beam are reflected parallel to each other. Okay, and then such a reflection is known as regular, means all beam of light reflected parallelly. You can see this parallelly lines come, this is incident ray, and parallelly it is reflected. So this is called regular reflection. Okay, the light ray is reflected from the surface, they follow the laws of reflection. The incident beam comprises parallel beams. All the rays are incident at the same angle on the reflecting surface, and hence the angle of reflection is also the same for the reflected rays of the beam. Clear, children? Now what is irregular? See this picture. Irregular means diffused reflection. When it occurs when light falls on a rough surface like road, door, ordinary floor and a table, means rough surface, uneven surface. Such surface might look smooth, but if we observe closely then it appears rough. Okay, when a beam of light falls on a rough surface, then different parts of surface reflect this incident light in different direction. You can see this incident ray reflected this side, this side, this side, means different direction. Such reflection can be seen in scratched mirror also, or rippling water. That is the irregular or a diffused reflection. Right, children? So in this case no definite image is formed, but the surface become visible. It is commonly known as scattering of light. You can call it scattering of light. Okay, the light rays when falls, it will scatter in all direction. That is also known as scattering of light. Now we can understand image formation by plane mirror. How image formed by a plane mirror? You can see this a plane mirror. This is a reflecting part. This is opaque surface. This is silvering, means silver paint. You must have noticed in your mirror, plane mirror, when every morning you get ready for the school or get ready for the party, you must have noticed that backside mirror side silver color paint is there. Why silver color paint, children? Because it to make it opaque. If we will not put a paint at the back side of the mirror, it will be transparent, right? It will all the light rays when falls, the image will not form. Okay, why image not form? Because all the light will pass through it. So that is why one side, back side, a paint used, so that when we will see, our image will form on the mirror. Okay, children. So what is real and virtual image, children? Real image means the image formed in a on the screen. The image is so formed on the screen. That is real. And behind the reflected rays enter our eyes, and you will see the image. The image so formed is behind the mirror. If the screen is placed behind the mirror, you do not receive the image on it. The image is called the virtual image. Means the image formed behind the mirror, that is the plane mirror. Always formed behind the mirror, that is virtual image. And when the image formed on the screen, like pinhole camera, you have learned already in standard 7. This is 7 only, sorry, in standard 6. So that is real image, which is formed on the screen, that is real image. Which is formed behind the screen, that is a virtual image, children. Right? Image formed or which can be obtained on a screen, that is real. And which formed behind, that is virtual. Okay. So image of a point object. See, you can see this point O. Here is image formed here backside. Here is a point O, that is object point. Okay, when the light rays falls on point A, it will reflect here, and then one more light incident ray falls here B point, it will reflect here. And then this is imaginary line, children, because we know the in plane mirror, image formed behind the mirror. So behind the mirror with the imaginary line shown here, how image formed behind the mirror? Imaginary line where it will join, then here is image formed. So draw with the imaginary line here. This is an image and this is an object, both are equal. Okay, image and object both are equal, but it will always formed behind the mirror. Clear? You read all these points are important. Now image of a large extended object. Extended object means here from suppose a large object AB is placed in front of a plane mirror XY. Okay, it reflects light rays in all the direction. We only consider the rays of light starting from point A and B. They fall on the surface and reflected in a particular direction, and this will follow the laws of reflection. This also in the same manner will reflect back, but image formed behind the mirror. So image formed here A dash B dash. The distance between the image and the mirror is the same as that of the object and the mirror, in this manner. So real and virtual already explained. Once again you read by yourself. Okay, up to here you revise. Tomorrow next class lateral inversion we will understand. Clear, children?